What's something people don't know about lithography? It's getting a major upgrade thanks to Canon's NIL technology. Canon's nano imprint lithography, or NIL, is changing the game in semiconductor manufacturing. Unlike traditional methods using complex optics and UV light, NIL directly imprints patterns onto silicon wafers. This means fewer steps, lower costs, and less hassle. Canon's NIL tech is significantly more affordable, costing about $15 million compared to ASML's $150 million EUV machines. And it's not just about saving money. Canon's NIL can produce chips just as powerful, with the potential to create advanced 2 nanometers chips in the future. The first NIL machine heading to the US will be used by the Texas Institute of Electronics for groundbreaking research and semiconductor manufacturing. Backed by the University of Texas at Austin, this initiative aims to tackle challenges in advanced semiconductor packaging. So keep an eye on Canon's NIL. It's affordable, efficient, and might just be the future of semiconductor tech.